So I am a structural engineer by training with a focus on materials. For many years, was a design engineer, project manager, getting buildings built and coordinated, and doing the work of the structural engineer, making sure that the building can withstand the earthquake, the wind, gravity, doesn't fall down, all that stuff that can be hidden, but hopefully with the goal of not emitting too much embodied carbon during the process, and in the future emitting a whole lot less. So as structural engineers, we're working with our architect clients from the time that the building is a thick pen sketch on paper, I should say hopefully, because if we want to reduce embodied carbon, we want to be there early, to following it through those submittals and the pesky RFIs to make sure that we're actually building a lower embodied carbon building, because sometimes these procurement choices can be undone if we don't really pay attention through construction. And when I introduce myself and I say I'm a structural engineer who's interested in embodied carbon, people say, I have a question. So what system should we use? Wood, concrete, or steel? So the outline of the rest of my discussion is going to be why this question really isn't the question and what we should think about. Because as all of you I'm sure know at Greenville, there's really no such thing as a wood, concrete, or steel building. And to dive into that, we can take each one of those systems and keep it really, really simple, but look at what goes into each one. Our mass timber buildings have multiple different types of wood. Jake really set that up to show just how important that is. But also, there's a good bit of concrete in those topping slabs, and it's all supported by concrete footings usually.